Good morning, everyone. I am Leonel Ray L. Balba from Taytay Rizal, member of MMM community since August 16, 2015. Last August 26, 2015, I provided help to the MMM community with the amount of 15,000 pesos. I gave 300 pesos to Herbert Flores, 3,700 to Denita, 5,500 to Robiniel De Castro, 1,700, 600 pesos to Candida, 3,200 to Ligaya. After 4 days, I was able to request help from the MMM community worth 16,500. MCO MSY gave me 1,800. Crisanto Legrand John gave me 8,800 and 5,900 pesos. To prove that I received the 16,500 financial assistance from the MMM community, I will show you my Bitcoin account. Here, you can see my recent transactions. Last August 30. Last August 30, I received 0.8151 and 0.5465 BTC from Crisanto and 0.1667 from MCO MSY. And that's it. Thank you. Thank you, MMM community. Together, we can change the world.